The Amtrak Railroad Station in Lancaster, Pennsylvania is a beautiful station that was originally built by the Pennsylvania Railroad in 1929 and is located on East McGovern Avenue. Recently, the station was the second busiest in the state with over 500,000 passengers. It is also one of Amtrak's busier stations nationally, serving a metropolitan area smaller than 2 million people. It is busy primarily because of the large number of passengers traveling to and from Philadelphia and New York.
The station is listed on the National Register of Historical Places, and recent renovations ensures the building is ready for years to come. Same-day parking is available for a fee, as well as overnight parking, but Amtrak cannot guarantee a parking space at the time of your trip.
As you enter the building, there are steps up to the lobby, but the building is accessible with elevators available. The station is heavily served by the Keystone service between Harrisburg and New York, with weekday arrivals usually exceeding 20 trains. The station is equipped with a staff ticket office, and there are also Amtrak ticket machines and public restrooms. Last Call Coffee also offers refreshments for travelers. The concourse to the tracks is well lit and plenty large to accommodate the public. There are no payphones, but there is Amtrak Wi-Fi available, and unaccompanied child travel is allowed. There are also ongoing renovations to the station, keeping it up to date. Getting to the platform involves a steep flight of steps, but again, there is an elevator available for those who need it. However, the steps are enclosed, which provides protection from the bad weather. Across the track, there is another platform being renovated. These additional enhancements will only improve the Lancaster station, which also happens to be the gateway to beautiful Amish country and the neighboring steam-powered Strasburg Railroad. Arrive at least 30 minutes prior to departure if you're not checking baggage or don't need assistance. Allow longer if you need ticketing, baggage, or passenger assistance services. Track number 1 finally gets the green signal.
Passengers should proceed to gate 1, track 1. Please remove any travel documents from the envelope and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
And shortly thereafter, the Keystone glides into the station. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you learned something about the Lancaster Amtrak station. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train adventures.